Right Reverend Bishop Charles Muturi, and the Bishop Emeritus Peter Njenga, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and His Excellency the Governor of Nyeri, and all those who have attended this occasion. I come here to bring my condolences as a friend of the family and also from the people of Siaya and the Lake region as a whole. Bishop Muturi, you talked about the good work that Honorable Maina Wanjigi has done to the church, and also what Honorable Njimi Wanjigi has done. I also want to testify that there's a plaza and a church that we've been doing in Bondo, an Anglican church, and Jimmy Wanjigi has been to Bondo many times with Raila Odinga to raise money to build a plaza and an Anglican church for Bondo. Secondly, Jimmy has been my friend for a very long time, not just a family friend. And I can tell you that in my family, in all the occasions that have taken place, Jimmy Wanjigi has always been there for me and my family. And also in the world of politics, it may not be known to you and many of you that Jimmy Wanjigi has been with us in the trenches, following the footsteps of his father, Honorable Maina Wanjigi. And I just want briefly, if you can lend me your ears, to say something that I think is important to say in the funeral on this important day that we are saying goodbye to Maina Wanjigi. Maina Wanjigi belongs to a group of leaders and politicians who took principle as a guiding beacon and light in their leadership. They never made a decision because it was convenient. They made a decision because of what was right and proper for the nation. And many of us are just following Maina Wanjigi's footsteps. And I want to say on this very solemn occasion that in the life of a nation, there is a time that comes that we must think about our nation and must think about the future of this nation. And Maina Wanjigi participated on many occasions when such a decision had to be made. And I want to join my friend Wajakoya in appreciating what the young people did. I think the future of this country belongs to you, and not just the future. The present belongs to you. Yesterday, I was in Ongata Rongai for the ceremony of saying goodbye to a little child, 12 years old, who was shot by the police, 12-year-old student. And in Siaya, I have a little child of 8 years old who was also shot by the police. And I want to plead, and I was there with Kamau Raila, who is here with me, and the president of the People's Ghetto, I think Gaucho is there. Gaucho is there, and Maka Jos was there. Now, I want to say this. You know, God has brought a moment to us that if you miss it, it will take another decade or 2 decades for it to come. I am telling you from the bottom of my heart. And what the young people have done we should take it very seriously, because if we don't take it seriously, we are not going to get another chance. When God sent Moses and his brother Aaron to talk to the Pharaoh, Moses went to tell the Pharaoh that, let my people go. A moment has come that the church must stand with the people. The church must stand with the people. When Moses went to talk to the Pharaoh, he went to the after he had talked to the people. At least, Bishop Njenga, you have saved my life many times. And I honor you. I almost became a bishop before I became a politician. I don't think I would have made a very good bishop. We ran to you at the All Saints Cathedral, and it was stormed by the police. The church, Raila Odinga remembers, we had to work with Bishop Kitari and others to Karura Forest. There were the guitarists, there were the munges. The church, if we continue to have the church sitting on the sidelines and just talking, we are going to be in a very rough place. I am saying this because there was a time before we did anything, we always put the church in front and they always never let us down. If you remember when George Njoya was being beaten near the cathedral, Kenya needs a cardinal sin so that when our people are going to the streets, the young people, let the bishops wear your gowns, the nuns, and walk with our young people so that they're not killed. I think that would be much better than letting the people just being beaten. These goons, we have seen them before. When Joya was being beaten at All Saints Cathedral, he was being beaten and the police were looking. Even these goons that are beating people, just look at the police when they see the goons. They are giving them encouragement. So the young people, the time is now, the hour has come, and Maina Wanjigi did it for us, and for it he was expelled from KANU. He didn't care, but I think Kenya is bigger than all of us, and let's make Kenya what God desired Kenya to be. And the time is now. Asante sana.
Mpigia makofi tena. You can still feel the fire from James Orengo. Governor, asante sana. Now, we are being hosted